I had one on and just stuck it in right where Ryan did there and lowered down and make it. Sitting right behind him in the smaller holes. And right where that eddy goes by, or that current goes by, there's a little eddy in the back behind where it's quieter water, and that's where they'll sit. They'll sit there. Especially under logs and stuff. Not over logs, under logs.
How much that hook cost you?
Oh, like $7.99. High water, no fish.
It's been a challenge.
Deep crossings.
Yeah.
The river totally changed. Here where it splits into two and then it up around the corner, it splits into four. There's a little hole up here, but
yeah. See what we can do.
Yeah. Well, Jamie's got a big fish here.
Might be able to net him right here. He's probably 6 or 7, eh?
Yeah, that's a good one. Ryan said there was another one up there too.
What's that? If you can, I can stand on that log and I can try to maybe put the net behind him. Here, here.
You scoop him right there. He's ready.
If you can get him.
Oh, my shoes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll pull this way.
I'm stuck in the mud
Stuck
here.
in the mud, I'll get it.
Male there.
That's a nice one. There we go. That's what we come for. Probably a 6 or 7.
Beauty.
Oh yeah, nice. Well, that one hit pretty hard. Whew.
Yeah, it's definitely more insane on a fly rod. Eh?
Yeah, that's about as big as I'd want to catch on that kind of rod. You got some sand in there?
Yeah, mud and rocks.
Oh no.
It's commitment.
Yeah. Oh.
Good job.
Was that the one you had?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With just the cast before, he came and
Yeah.
he grabbed it and then he let go. He's a good size one here. I just saw him over here.
We got a big one coming in here. Everybody's gonna crowd in on the spot. There we go. Fish on. Good one. Go down with him. Go down with him.
You got a good size one?
Ryan.
Oh, it's probably like
Giant.
Joel's got a giant.
Oh yeah.
pounder. He's like 8 or 9 maybe.
How big's yours?
Over 10. Dad, he's coming to you.
Okay, so Joel's got one over there. Bit of a chaos show here. Josh is up next here. I think we're a bit high. We gotta go lower. It's tangled up there or something. Nice. Ooh, look at that fish. Fish though.
Yeah, I was aiming for him. I swung the fly in front of him and he just opened his mouth and it went in.
I gotta change the rod on my hook.
Yeah, your hook's got issues.
I've had 6 now that come at it and they don't do anything.
Stop this thing. Like if Joel comes up here and
He's gonna go that way. He's always gonna go opposite.
That's why I'm trying to pull him this way. Okay, he's gonna be done there, Dad.
That's a big one, eh?
10 pounder probably.
That one's probably 12.
Oh, he's more than 10.
Nah,
He's
Probably
more than
12.
10.
He's a
12
pounder.
12 pounds. See that
Oh yeah,
fish.
he's easy 12.
Yeah, unfortunately didn't get much video of Ryan's after the netting.
Okay, I'll pull him straight towards you here. Yeah. You gotta go head first, I think. Okay, I'm gonna let him go straight back into you.
Yes! Woo!
Oh, he's more than 12.
15.
Look at that
15,
giant. Woo! Buddy! Look at this fish. Look at that fish. Giant. Nicely done. Woo!
Okay, weigh the net here right now.
What is it,
He's
14
about
now?
12 He's 12.
Just look at that.
Yeah, they always seem to be smaller than you think.
Oh, yeah! Keep your
Here you
tip
go.
up, Josh.
Josh just got one. This one's gone. Josh has got one. Whew, just let one go. Another one.
Good one, Josh.
That's a beauty.
8-pounder.
Whew. Your Greg's all right? Wow. How's it feeling, Josh?
Good, yeah. Second guy.
He's still got lots of fight in him.
Yeah.
If you
that's
can
a
get
good
him
one.
over here and then just bring him up with your tip, and I might be able to get him while he's in the water, higher in the water. Okay, yeah, that's right. Keep your tip up high.
Okay, here he is.
Yeah, I might be able to get him.
And then don't try to pull him right out. Just keep him there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Keep the tip.
There he is. There he is. He's coming. Woo! Beauty.
Quick, still and then put him right. Is the hook out?
Yeah. Get him up there, Josh. Nice fish. Woo!
Okay, put
Beauty.
him back. He's
Yeah. He needs to go back. He's
I don't know.
pretty bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If he's upright, he's.
what, he just hooking him out?
That one was bleeding a bit, but hopefully he's all right. Yeah, nice fish. Woo.
Any bites, Josh? None yet, right here. We're probably a couple K up right now. I think we've got 5 or 6 fish. That last hole there we caught 3, so that was pretty cool. We're gonna keep working our way up. Hopefully we can get a couple more. If not, I'd be happy with the way it's gone already. 23% chance there's a fish in here.
Not there.
A nice hole up here Ryan's going for.
Right in there. Right in there.
And we're trying to get back from that little. Oh, we'll leave you alone now. Go catch Ryan. Last couple of years I haven't seen a single fish in this hole, to be honest.
There's a little fish that jumped on the top, but
We haven't even got halfway. Well, maybe. Yeah, we have. When I went with Mark, we went way past here and we were catching them right. There was good holes right to the top.
Nice.
That's quicksand. Oh boy. Oh, it didn't look too deep.
Anything in there?
it's a small one, I think.
What's that?
It's a small one.
Well, there's our answer. That's weird. I don't understand. What's the verdict?
No good holes.
Yeah, we're struggling a little bit up here.
Pretty quiet.
Yeah. You're right behind us. There's usually a pretty decent hole that just about every trip we've had fish in, but this year it's kind of all washed out and built up with gravel, so what can you do? Big hole. There's one up in here, eh, Ryan? Right there. Right into that log. There he is. Got him. Rainbow on. Nice. So what are you trying to do when you're doing that?
Just try to let it float down as naturally as you can.
Trying to match kind of the flow of the surface. There's
Yeah.
another one right here, Ryan.
Little guy.
Ryan
got one too.
Ryan's got one. Nicely done. Woo! It's a jumper.
This is a good one.
Ooh, this one's squirmy.
Let him go.
See ya, buddy. There he is.
That's a good one. Ooh, yeah.
Who's going? Oh! Whee! Oh! Oh!
That's a good one.
Hit your net. You're gonna need a net for that guy.
I got him on my pack here.
Here, I'll come get him off for you. Here, I can have him like that. Oh, that's a fatty. Whoa, look at that thing. There he goes. Straight downstream. Okay, Ryan's got one more. It's cool seeing him come up to the top, eh?
Yeah. Oop. A little further. Oh, he came up at the last second and then he went down. I could see him. There you go.
Oh, he came up for it. See that? Oh, I got one.
You got something. Ooh, big grayling. Big grayling. There's still a different one in there, eh?
Rainbow or something. Ooh, that's a porky one. There he is.
Good one.
Woo! Good one. They're just chunkies, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that fish right there. Woo! One more quick look. Beautiful fish. Here we go. Go free, buddy. Woohoo!
There he goes. Right there.
Hanging out. Sucker out.
There we go. Bring him straight in. Nice.
Right on.
Good one.
Nice fish. Woo! Beauty. Well done.
Thanks.
Send them away.
Send him back.
See ya, buddy. Oh yeah, he's healthy. Well done.
Thanks.
High fives all around.
Oh, was either the same one you got earlier or that other one that was with it?
Hard to say.
All right, big fish.
Alright, I just hooked a monster. This has got to be 15.
Nice.
By the splash on that thing.
Where was he?
I just cast right behind this log right here.
Huh. Judging by a splash. I would almost loosened off a bit more. I feel like he's got a lot of tension there. Yikes, he's not coming,
I
eh?
have to go down to
Let me grab this net. Always the fun part, eh? Getting the first look.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's a good one. Ooh, yeah, he's a 10-pounder. If you let him go, I might be able to scoop him here.
Yeah.
Well, there he goes. How much for that?
You're a little bit light. I might need you to go back out there, man. He's gonna go down. I still want him to go down after the next second.
Okay. Sorry if this is bad footage, guys, but I'm kind of standing in the river. Oh yeah, there he is. Big boy. A nice fish there. Alrighty, okay. We'll try to scoop them.
Okay, here's the fish I caught. Woo! She is a dandy. That's a beast. A little bit easier with this big old girl. Look at that fish, guys. That is an unreal fish. He's probably 12.
A bit, but he's just hooked in the mouth, so he'll be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10, 12 pounder.
Look at that. Look at the coloration on her. Okay, we're gonna get her back. One tip, definitely have a net when you're catching these big fish. They're too big to smash around on the rocks, and you gotta just
Land them as quick as you can and get them back.
And get them back, absolutely. So, come on, buddy.
And contrary to thought, you don't move them back and forth either.
That's right.
Just hold them there, let them regain themselves, and when they're ready, they'll go.
She's close. I'm not worried, she's bleeding pretty good, but there she goes. Come on. There she goes.
There.
Look at that.
Yeah, she's healthy.
Already release.
Already release. There.
Oh wow, that felt good. Oh, I got chills.
We were here yesterday and there wasn't much. I did catch one fish over there.
Yep.
Behind there, but there's all new fish now. Pretty hard to want to go home now, eh?
We got a couple more hours and we got to head out of here, but you know what? These cloudy kind of overcast days sometimes, I think those are the ones. She came after it once and she hit pretty hard and I set the hook and knocked it out of her mouth. I was worried that she wasn't going to hit it again, and so I did a carbon copy of that last cast, and she followed me in probably about halfway across the channel right here, and then I saw her hit it and it was just game on. Alrighty, here's Joel going after the next one. Oh no!
No, I got him.
I got him?
He's stuck in a log or something.
Okay, I'm gonna go in here. I'm just gonna.
Oh no, I didn't lose him.
Oh, crap.
And my fly. He was one of those two because I caught him out here.
Oh yeah.
This is my last one of those good flies.
Still in there? Oh, watch out for that log. Joel just got a slammer. I just made the craziest. It's a tag one?
It's a tanker. That's a 10-pounder easy.
Okay, don't lose her. Guys, look at this fish. I just made the world's best net. I was way out in the middle, out there, and we still landed him. Look at that. Beautiful fish, man.
Nice. 8-pounder, 10-pounder maybe.
10, yeah.
He's healthy
He's
and
healthy.
ready to roll.
Oh, man. Kind of right by that little ripple. And that's where I netted it. Insane. Whew. I'm gonna take a break. A little bit of bonus fishing. Here we go. What do you got?
I'm trying to get this fish for about 10 minutes.
Finally
got him.
Steer him right in. Perfect little grayling. Woo! Nice.
He is. Give you a quick little look at this gorgeous fish.
Look at that. Beautiful. Lift that
Beautiful
fin up a little
fin.
bit. Look at that, eh? Just unreal. That sparkle off of him is just something
Yeah,
else.
there he goes.
See ya, buddy. Another fish. We thought came back to this hole and Joel just snagged one. Yeah, if you can get him down below into this area, that would be good. He's actually a decent one, yeah. Well, it's a bite to hook that size too.
Yeah,
I remember that, right? Okay, well, I'm sure he's not quite done yet. Let's just go down over here.
I don't want to get into those.
Oh, that's true. I'll be able to get him. There we go.
I love these things.
Look at that.
Beauty.
Nice fish.
Well, buddy.
Push him out towards me. Yeah, there he is.
At least you found a convenient spot, eh?
Kidding, yeah. Definitely helps us out for sure. Well, it really has been an unbelievable trip. Yeah, definitely didn't picture fishing like that, that's for sure, but we'll take it. Last hole coming right up. The grand finale.